So here we're going to take a look at the DeFelsko dust tape kit. So measuring the dust on the blasted surface is very important prior to coating to make sure you don't have any contaminations which would affect the surface adhesion. First of all, when we look at this, we have the standards on how much dust is allowed on a surface based on the different levels of dust that you get off your tape. And you've got your background, so you can use that very simply on a piece of paper. And then we have the official ISO report, which you'd all very much recognize. Why don't you want dust on the surface? Well, any contamination on the surface will lead to a bad coating adhesion to that new coating, which is the reason we do surface preparation. This tool is quite simple. It comes with a light, which turns on. You can then put it on your surface, and you can look very close and get an accurate reading of how many particles are on the surface. And then you can class it by the ratings we have on the chart. The kit comes with everything you need, including a long form certificate, the scissors to cut the tape, the certified tape, the ISO readings, and the 10:1 magnifier with the choreographed points around the side. Thank you for watching. Go to BlastOne.com to make your purchase today.